and they call him the snake. And he sings in the shadows, keeping time behind him is the wolf in sheep's clothes. His voice is like honey poured over midnight, calling through the darkness and promising a good time. And all of the right words he's got for all of the wrong moves you make. Whether you want to or not, you find yourself listening to songs about money, diamonds dripping from the ceiling, songs that promise there is love without commitment, songs that offer an escape from honest living, and songs that glorify all kinds of soul-deep sickness. I'm just a voice on the corner. Nobody knows my name, and ain't a damn soul that's listening. They're all turned round to hear the snake, because all of the right moves he's got. Sleight of hand, mirrors and smoke. Whether you meant to or not, you find yourself singing along to songs about money, diamonds dripping from the ceiling, songs that promise there is love without commitment, songs that offer an escape from honest living, songs that glorify all kinds of soul-deep sickness. And you laugh, 'cause he laughs at those who dance and do not listen. But you're too busy dancing to give a damn about your misgivings, and you're hooked. You don't have to stop when the sun comes up. You can follow him down the road. He'll lead you laughing and singing and dancing, distracted while the wolf makes off with your soul. And then that snake, oh, the bastard's gonna sing you to sleep with his sweet, sick lullabies of lies and defeat. And then he'll leave you to your nightmares, heartbroken and alone. It'll be a long time before you find your way back home. And they'll sing ha, 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 oh, ha, ha, who's laughing now? And they'll sing ha, 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 oh, ha, ha, who's laughing now? And ha, 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 oh, ha, ha, who's laughing?